Hey y'all, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be trying out some new products. I have did a few shorts on, I think it's just two of these items. It's these two new foundations. I picked up the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfecting Essence, and I also picked up the new About Face The Performer Foundation. So I have did a shorts on both of these. And then I also have this new brown mascara from Essence and the Essence Last Princess Primer. I also have a new blush by Winky Lux and this new Butter Glow bronzer and blush little trio thing. And I have a Tarte Maracuja Juicy Plump in the shimmer like formula. So those are the new products I have. I also have a new shade of the e.l.f. Camo Blush. I have, I think, two other shades of this, and I wanted another shade because it's just so good. But I don't think I'll be using this because I already know how the formula works. But let me pull my hair back and we'll get started. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Milk Primer. This is the primer I have been really loving as of lately. It really keeps my skin pretty matte for at least like 5 to 6 hours. After that, there's just really nothing that can save my skin. So I tried out this foundation in a short for YouTube, and it's definitely too warm for my skin tone. So in order for me to use this, I'm going to have to add in a little bit of lightener, which I have this LA Girl Pro Mixing White Pigment. This works great for foundation. So I think I'm going to do the About Face today because I liked the coverage on this. So it does have a little doe foot thing, and it's really kind of hard to get out of the component. I really wish they wouldn't have did the doe foot thing. So I'm just going to smear some on my face and add a little bit of the white pigment and kind of mix it together on my face. Just because I feel like that's what'll work best. And my shade I got was LM2 Neutral. And I looked online on the Ulta website, and like it looks pretty light online. Like the LM2 Neutral shade looked like pretty light. Like I felt like it would have worked for me. So I'm just gonna kind of mix this on my face. Yeah, that helped a lot. If you don't own this LA Girl white mixing pigment, it is like literally a lifesaver when it comes to getting your right shade in foundations, even like concealers. If you get a shade that's way too warm, they also offer like orange and blue in this mixing pigment, and I have used like this much of it. Like I'm almost halfway through this because I have like this Rare Beauty foundation here. It's way too dark for me, so I have to mix in some of the white pigment. And this white pigment adds like some mattifying elements to it. So, okay, that definitely looks, it looks really good. I don't have a new concealer, but I'm still using this Fenty Beauty concealer. So I'm just going to go in with that. I have been loving that concealer a lot. It offers a nice coverage, and it doesn't seem to be too thick or cakey. It doesn't leave my eyes looking like my creases looking dried out or anything. Thankfully, I'm remembering I have a cream blush to use. So we have the Winky Lux Cheeky Rose Liquid Blush. Now this packaging is just so pretty. I'm going to try not to ruin this packaging. Gosh. What the heck? Okay, so here's what it looks like. There's the packaging. It has like a little rose embossed on the cap of it. And it's like one of those little, it's like one of those little poof ball things. So that's really cute. Okay, I have mine in the shade Cheeky Rose. I feel like I already said that. I'm just gonna kind of tap like 3 little dots on my face. And then I always use a brush to blend in my cream products. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush brush. And it has like some nice pigment, but it's not like overly pigmented. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not a Rare Beauty, too pigmented type product. This is really pretty. I love the mauve-y tone of this. Like it's one of those like really nice wearable products that you can like just use every day. I love it. This is really pretty. And it blended really nicely. Yeah. Okay, that's really pretty. I like that a lot. I think I'm gonna go in with some powder real quick, set my face, and do my eyebrows. I'll have nothing new for that. And then we'll go into the rest of the products. Okay, and we're back. And I done applied bronzer whenever I did my brows. And I put on some eyeshadow, completely forgetting that I had this bronzer little new thing here from Physicians Formula. So I'm so sorry. That'll have to be, maybe I'll just do a short on that or something. But I do have these 2 mascaras, a primer and the mascara I want to try out. So I'll zoom you guys in. I have heard that this primer is like a blue tint. You can see it's kind of like it's a whitish blue. I'm going to apply the primer real quick, and I have heard people say that you have to let this dry for a few minutes, and it takes a little bit to dry. I only applied that to my top lashes. I don't really see a use to apply it to the bottom lashes, so I'm gonna let that dry. I think we'll go in real quick and use this new Tarte shimmer glass thing, bob. I got the shade Soft Pink. So like here's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch it on my hand. I think it's just going to be a clear gloss. There you go. But you can kind of see a little bit of like little pink shimmers in there. My husband and I are going out on a little date night tonight, so this is kind of like my little get ready with me. I'll probably, should I put on like a lip liner? Please hold. Okay, I landed on a lip liner. This is the Essence Stay 8-Hour Lip Liner Waterproof. It's in the shade Unforgettable. I'm going to apply this. Okay, here's the lip liner. I feel like it looks pretty good. And I'm going to go in. Oh no. That is like beautiful. And this has like the yummiest vanilla smell you could ever want in a like lip. I feel like this is like a lip gloss, but kind of more of a balmy lip gloss. Okay, I'm sure this is dry. Yeah, okay. Let's go in with the brown mascara now. I hope I didn't let this dry for like too long or something. This is looking pretty good. I did already try out this brown mascara on its own, and I really liked it. I'm realizing I have my heater on that I turned on whenever I was putting doing my eyebrows and putting my eyeshadow on. I'm realizing that I left it running, so I'm sorry if you all have been hearing the heater run the whole time. It's just a little space heater. I love to have a little space heater running when I'm putting on my makeup. It's just kind of like one of those like comforting things. That's just me. Okay, here is the finished look. What do we think? The mascara, I feel like, here, let me zip back in. Here's what the mascara is looking like. I feel like it's looking really good. Like, I'm not hating on it. I feel like it looks really good. I feel like the foundation looks really good. I love it. Maybe, I'm not making any promises, maybe I will try to come back tonight when we get back from our dinner date and do a little check-in, let you all see how it looks. It is currently 2:01. There y'all, so it's currently 2 o'clock. We will see what this looks like at whatever time I can check in. But if I can't check in, if I've forgotten, I'll go ahead and end the video here. Hope you all enjoyed this trying some new products. And let me know in the comments if y'all picked up any of these products, if you like them. And thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.